How to create digital planner for Etsy. So go ahead and start by opening your web browser and then visit the Etsy site. Selling digital products on Etsy is a great way to earn passive income as many people come here looking for various digital products. And one of the best selling digital products in the site is digital planners. It could be a printable planner, a PDF planner, a template, or a planner that can be opened in GoodNotes and any other iPad applications. So, selling digital planners in Etsy could really make you have great sales. Now, we can start by designing the digital planner. And for this specific video, I'll be using Canva. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design tool that you can use to create your digital designs. It could be graphic designs, posters, presentations, but in this case, we'll be using it for digital planner. And although it has features available for pro subscribers only, anyone can use it for free. But you can also use other platforms like Photoshop or Adobe InDesign, whatever site you're comfortable to use. So all you have to do is to sign up for Canva. You can use one of your accounts, either Facebook, Google, Gmail, Apple account, and any other account to create a Canva account. Once you are logged in, you will be here on this dashboard. And the first thing to do is to choose a size or a resolution for your product, or you can customize one if necessary. To do that, click on the Create Design button here in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the custom size here on the bottom part, and then here you can input the specific size that you want. You can change it from pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. Or you can also search for a specific paper like A4. We can type that. You can also look for portrait or even planner. You can type in planner and there's a size here available. As you can see, once I searched for planner, I actually have different sizes for planners in here. So you have something for monthly planners, daily planners, personal planners, and a lot more. And another tip, if you use the Magic search engine, you will actually see a lot of built templates already. These are readily available templates that you can use and edit to personalize on your own planner. But for this video, we won't be using these templates and we'll be doing a planner from scratch. So go back to the sizing part and then choose or customize one. Once you click on one, you will then be directed in this page, and this is where we can edit the planner. So first step that you can do is to modify and change the background color. You can choose from the available palettes. These palettes will appear once we click on the square icon. So you can choose between the available colors in here, or you can also use a manual color picker where you can specify more on the color and the shade that you want. After that, we can then navigate to use the Elements tab. We will be using this to add shapes, graphics, and images to the design of the planner. Since for this tutorial, I'm going for a simple but functionable planner, I will just add rectangles and lines for some division on the page. To do that, you can browse through the Shapes tab, or you can use the search engine if you can't find the vectors or the specific graphic that you want to add. So I will click on it and I will add rectangles for the days of the week. So that will be from Sunday to Saturday. And based here on my outline, I will also add a priority list and goals for the week. So let's add 2 more rectangles. And I will also add a last rectangle for the notes part. Now this is the palette that I want to follow. So let's just adjust the color of these rectangles as well. So just play around with it and design your planner based on a theme or a color palette of your choice. So for example, you can follow a green matcha palette, a floral theme, a retro theme, or any theme that you want. Add elements like graphics and vectors to enhance your layout. In my case, I think some subtle flowers will match the layout. So I'll search for that again in the Elements tab and then browse in here. I think I want this shadowed kind of flowers. So simply click on the item that you want to add to your canvas and then adjust the colors again to match the background. Once the foundation of your planner is done, the next step is to add text. So proceed to the text tab right below the Elements tab, and here you have the option to add heading, subheading, and body text. For the title first, let's choose the heading. I'll just type in weekly planner for this one. And to change the font, just click on this font type, but highlight the text that you want to change first. Again, just click on this font type. It's on the upper left area of the screen, and then the available fonts will then show. Just take note of the fonts with these crown icons, since these are the fonts that you can only use if you are subscribed to their Pro plan. So I will just choose a cursive font, a free cursive font for the title, and then let's adjust its placement. Now I will add the labels for each day. I'll use the subheading for this, and then I'll add a shape in here just to emphasize the day. And then last is the labels for the priority list, the notes, and the goals. Once we're done with the text, just add the final touches. So if you want to add some stickers, again, go to the Elements tab to search from vectors and graphics. Once you are done with the layout, all you have to do is to save it as PDF. To do that, click on the share button on the upper right corner of the screen. Select download, and then make sure that the file type is set to PDF standard. Or you can also choose the PDF print if you're planning to sell it as digital and as printables. So once you have your file on your device, the final step is to list your product on Etsy. Go to Etsy, and then this is all the product information that you need to fill in. Just provide all the necessary information, including the title, the description, the pricing, and the relevant tags. But we will not delve into that in this video. In this part, just set up the payment and shipping options. And then the most important part here is to go to the product type and then select a digital. Make sure that it is not physical so that Etsy will allow you to upload digital files. So once you're done with that, scroll down and then let the site load. And here, upload the PDF file of your digital planner. After this, just finish the other information needed and then publish your listing on Etsy. So that is how to create digital planner for Etsy. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.